Looking for the best cordless drills 2025? In this video, we're reviewing the top high-performance drills that offer powerful performance, durability, and efficiency for any project. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these cordless drills will make your work easier and faster. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is one of the best cordless drills 2025 for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This powerful combo kit includes a 20V cordless drill and an impact driver, designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from drilling holes to driving screws. With two 20V Max batteries and a charger, you'll never run out of power, making this kit ideal for extended work sessions. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for easy handling, while its high-performance motor delivers exceptional torque. Perfect for both light-duty and heavy-duty tasks, this combo kit ranks among the top cordless drills 2025. Upgrade your tool collection today with the DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit for reliable and efficient drilling. Number 2. DCK 20V Brushless Hammer Drill. The DCK 20V Brushless Hammer Drill is one of the best cordless drills 2025, offering unmatched power and precision for any project. With a robust 531 Nm of torque and an impressive 36,000 BPM, this drill easily handles tough materials like brick walls, metal, and wood. Equipped with a 1/2-inch keyless all-metal chuck, this drill ensures a secure fit and reliable performance. The 22+1+1 clutch provides ultimate control, while the 4.0 Ah battery ensures long-lasting use, making it perfect for both DIY projects and professional tasks. Looking for the best drill for wood 2025? This hammer drill excels at woodworking, offering high-performance drilling with ease. Ideal for those who need high-performance cordless drills 2025, it delivers power, versatility, and durability in one tool. Number 3. 20V Cordless Drill Brushless Power Drill. The 20V Cordless Drill Brushless Power Drill set is one of the best cordless drills 2025, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This set includes two 20V batteries, a charger, and a convenient tool bag, making it ideal for cordless drills for home use 2025. With a 22 torque setting, this powerful cordless drill 2025 provides precision control for a variety of tasks, from drilling holes to driving screws. The 3/8-inch chuck offers versatility, while the brushless motor ensures longer runtime and more power. Whether you're tackling small projects or more heavy-duty jobs, this drill is a reliable addition to your toolkit. Enjoy efficiency and convenience with this brushless drill set, perfect for a range of applications. Number 4. Bosch 12V Max Cordless Power Drill. The Bosch 12V Max Cordless Power Drill Driver Kit is one of the best cordless drills 2025, offering incredible versatility and performance for a wide range of tasks. This 5-in-1 FlexiClick system includes multiple heads to cover drilling, driving, and fastening needs, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With two 2Ah batteries included, you'll enjoy extended usage, while the compact design allows easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Whether you're tackling small repairs or larger DIY projects, this drill provides the reliability you need. If you're looking for budget cordless drills 2025 that don't compromise on power, this Bosch kit delivers excellent value and performance. Ideal for any home project, it's one of the best drills for DIY 2025. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 20V Max. The Black Plus Decker 20V Max Power Reconnect Cordless Drill/Driver Kit is one of the best cordless drills 2025, offering a powerful solution for all your drilling and driving needs. This kit includes 30 pieces of bits and drivers, making it a complete toolset for any project, whether at home or on the job site. Weighing in as one of the lightweight cordless drills 2025, it provides excellent comfort and ease of use, even during extended periods of work. With its 20V Max battery, you'll experience reliable power and performance for a variety of tasks. This drill is a great choice for both DIYers and cordless drills for professionals 2025 due to its versatility and durability. Get the job done efficiently with this top-rated drill kit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.